Hello from Montreal. We are currently at Mile End, just walking around. Mile End is a hip, artsy area with lots of coffee shops, indie shops, and other retailers. Don't miss out on all the cute little stores in this area. We definitely took our time to really explore and find all the hidden gems. For lunch, we hit up this must-try soup dumpling place. They have a few locations in Montreal. We got the classic juicy pork and the shrimp and coriander soup dumplings. The juicy pork dumplings were absolutely delicious. It was filled with so much meat inside. The shrimp soup dumplings were equally as tasty. I was surprised at how much filling they put into these dumplings. I guess this is why this is a must-try spot in Montreal. We hit up Mount Royal to see the spectacular view of Montreal. And we came across some very polite, hungry raccoons. I have never seen raccoons in real life, and they are so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the raccoon on the top there. We went to the famous rice roll chung fun place in downtown Montreal. Highly recommend. We got the congee and a variety of rice rolls, and they were all very delicious. We also got the mantou with condensed milk as well as some congee. Overall, definitely a must if there's a chain in the city you're traveling to. Old Montreal was definitely one of the biggest highlights for me. I love looking at beautiful architecture, and it really felt like I had gone to Europe. Montreal wouldn't be complete if we're not having a regular croissant or these rolled croissants that you see here. We decided to take a quick break from exploring Old Montreal to grab some rolled croissants. I think I have a new favorite. This had the perfect balance of flakiness and texture. Honestly, it was heaven in a bite. Next, we went to visit Habitat 67, which is an architectural housing complex along the St. Lawrence River. For dinner, we explored Chinatown, and there were a lot of restaurants and a lot of cool Asian shops. Here we are at this hand-pulled noodle place. The broth was so clean and flavorful. Would definitely come back here when I'm in Montreal. Stay tuned for part 2 of our Montreal trip, where I take you along some of the famous eats in Montreal.